Man. So DJI, they just dropped the second generation of this microphone right here. This right here is going to be the DJI first generation microphone. And I don't know how I feel about the second one just yet. You know, I mean, obviously, you know, when people do drop new products, let me fix my focus right quick, I feel like I'm out of focus. But, you know, when people do drop new products, I feel like that they, you know, just drop, I guess, performance upgrades, honestly. But DJI, they kind of, you know, took a different route. For one, this right here is, hopefully you guys can still hear it. Let me grab the other microphone out so we can make this a little bit more proficient. I'm gonna turn this microphone off as well because we don't want to double the audio, you feel me? But anyway, so this is the original DJI microphone right here. This is the, you know, my baby right here. This is the one that I've been using. I got two of these. But the new DJI microphone, they have a black one, but it's also going to be a translucent one. So you can actually see, I'm gonna say transparent one, I should say. You can see directly inside of the, you know, microphone itself. You can see the guts of it. And it's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know if it's worth upgrading to. They have a couple other features in there. From the, you know, comparing this from the first generation to the second generation now comes with an AI noise cancellation. I was considering getting those microphones just because it had that, you know, that feature in there. But I remembered Adobe Premiere Pro just dropped a new feature as well. I guess like their beta program where we have our own enhanced audio, which kind of sort of, you know, acts like a noise canceling thing for me. So I don't think I need to, you know, jump from the first generation to the second generation just yet. Now, some other things in here that I'm not even gonna say other things. I got a whole thing of notes over here. There's only one other thing that I do consider that was cool, you know, when it comes down to tech that's inside of this microphone or that microphone is it now has a 32-bit float recording internal. So, you know, if I wanted to scream in my microphone like this, that's probably bad. But, you know, if I'm in like a loud environment or something where my audio is damaged, I have 32 bits, I guess, recording or whatever you guys want to call it, whatever they want to call it. 32-bit, you know, just helping me out to repair my audio and also making sure that I'm not peaking when it comes down to my microphone. So if I do want to scream in my microphone, I can scream in it and you guys will be able to hear me without any sort of problems. If I do it in this microphone, I'm pretty sure that you guys will be able to hear that this sounds very, very terrible. Literally. But those are some things, you know, that I'm looking at in the DJI microphones that I think, you know, is, I guess, almost something that's maybe worth it. But, you know, if you can find a workaround it like me, Adobe Premiere Pro has the AI noise cancellation thing or enhanced audio. The 32-bit flow, that's pretty decent. But I don't scream my microphone at all, so I don't think I need it. Other than that, minimum changes. These right here have like a 0.5 hour battery life extended on the second generation. 14 hours of internal recording. Same thing that's in here with 8 gigabytes of storage. The receiver is different as well on the new second generation. You now get a scroll wheel, and then also they have the color orange painted on there as well, so it's pretty dope. Also, the microphone itself, you get the black one that's transparent, or you can get a white one that pretty much looks something similar like this, but it's in, you know, a new design. So let me know what you guys think. Would you guys go pick up the DJI second generation for $350, or would you just pick up this first generation for $250? Let me know. I'll see you later. Peace.